All right, Tom's back, full forecast time, and I'm good. I'm good on these early morning, 8 degrees, 5 degrees, 1 degree mornings. Like we can anytime now.
Getting kind of sick of it.
Move along.
Yep. We're going to get a nice little break from it, though, as we approach the second half of the week. This morning is cold again. A couple of celestial items to get to before we get to the nuts and bolts of the forecast. A few planets are visible in the early morning sky, looking southeast, toward the sun up. Venus, second brightest object in the sky behind the moon, will be out there. You'll definitely notice that. Right below it will be Mars, and possibly still visible will be Mercury, although as the sun is getting closer to rising, it's getting brighter on the horizon, and Mercury may not be completely visible. But go try to check it out if you can. Dress warmly while you do it. Look at these temperatures. A lot of negative numbers, Gray, Sebago, Rumford, Rangeley. Single digits above zero elsewhere. Negative numbers in Cherryfield, in Freedom, in Herman. 8 below right now. Dover Foxcroft is 13 below at this time too. It is clear right now, but high clouds are going to quickly move in, and we'll end up with more clouds than sun today. That's the trade-off on the backside of this high. The other thing is, this will be a positive, our temperatures will be getting warmer with time. We'll hit the mid-30s this afternoon and then climbing to around 50 tomorrow and Friday. It's quiet out there, but wicked cold, and any bright sunshine will begin to fade. Will be partly to mostly cloudy by the middle of the day. Temperatures, though, still make a nice recovery, about 30 degrees at this point. The breeze is going to get a little active. That's going to be a problem. So even though these temperatures are quite a bit warmer than the last couple of days, with limited sun and winds kicking out of the southwest, it'll have a brisk feel out there. It may not feel as warm as it actually is. The last thing I want to talk about is this evening there will be a full moon rise at about 5:10, and I'm cautiously optimistic that some of us will see that moon rise. There will be clouds out there, but there will be some clear spots, so hopefully you get a little view of it coming up. It's the snow moon in February. There are your highs, pretty close to the average, which is 35. Portland hits it, Lewiston does, Augusta, Bangor, maybe closer to 40 down in York County and over the border into Seacoast, New Hampshire. So as we go into tomorrow, this front will be draped to our west and warm air surges in along with some rain, but a lot of that rain holds off to tomorrow night. And then it passes through and sweeps off the coastline by midday tomorrow, on Friday. I don't expect a whole lot of rain out of this, probably about an inch from it, but when you couple that with snow melt, we could have a few problems on our rivers as the ice begins to move around. It's also going to be quite breezy with the front as it's passing too. And then we'll tap some colder air for the upcoming weekend. A weak system on Saturday gives us some snow showers in the afternoon, minor accumulation, like an inch perhaps, a coating, something like that. Sunday tries to get a little bit warmer, so does early next week. The winds could be an issue here. They start to ramp up tomorrow afternoon. Thursday night into Friday morning with the frontal passage, we could see some gusts around 50 or slightly higher, and that could lead to a few power outages into Friday morning. And then they go into the northwest, and that's tapping colder air for Friday afternoon and the weekend. Gale warnings today. They go into effect at 1 o'clock for the winds, which are again picking up out of the southwest, gusting to 40 knots. Highs in the 30s today, warmer tomorrow near 50 degrees. Heavy rain Thursday night into Friday morning. That rain shuts down quickly. We develop sun, but the temperatures drop. Over the weekend, we're in the 30s with snow showers Saturday afternoon. Sunday looks good. Partly sunny in the mid-30s. Lee.
All right, T, thank you very much. We appreciate all of that.